Good morning. We're going to finish up this week going over these examples of how to find the sum of an arithmetic series. Alright, so we've got 3 examples to go over today. So it says find for the arithmetic sequence represented by the given formula, determine the sum of the sequence up to the named term. Okay, so we want to find the sum of all the terms leading up to the 23rd term. Okay, so in order to find the sum, we actually need values of 2 terms. We need the first term and the last term of the sequence. Okay, in this case, we want to find the 23rd term. Well, if we recognize the formula here, where 10 again is a common difference. Right. -2 is the first term. Right. Again, we know that because when we plug 1 in for n, remember n represents the nth term. Plug 1 in for n, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 times 10 is 0. Alright, so that gives us the first term is -2. Alright, so again, we want to find the 23rd term of the sequence. Okay, so again, let's use our calculator here. So we'll do -2 plus 23 minus 1. Alright, so our 23rd term in the sequence is 218. Okay. So again, we are asked to find the sum of the sequence of all the terms from the first term to the 23rd term. So now, rather than listing out all of these terms, right, like finding the second term, third term, fourth term, and so on, all the way up to the 23rd term, right, there's a formula. Okay, again, this formula uses the first term in the sequence and the last term in the sequence that you're trying to add up to. Alright, so here is the formula for the sum of the first 23 terms of a sequence. Alright, so that formula goes like this. So you're going to take, well actually, you know what, let's write the generic formula first. So, S of n. Alright, so you are going to take the number of terms, we're going up to the 23rd term, and you're going to multiply that by the first term plus the nth term divided by 2. Okay, so this is the formula we're going to use for these examples to find the sum of this arithmetic sequence. Alright, so using the formula, sum of the first 23 terms of this sequence. Again, the nice thing about formulas is that you just plug values in that are required. So a sub 1 is -2. A sub n, 23rd term we found is 218, and divided by 2. Let's plug that in our calculator. So 23 times, so we got a fraction, so we'll do -2 plus 218 divided by 2. So there's our sum, 2,484. Okay, so let's move on to example number 2. So we want to find the sum of the first 33 terms. So we're going to the term 33. So again, we'll use the formula that's given for the sequence. The first term is 19 when we plug in 1. And we need to find the 33rd term. So again, let's use our calculator. 19 Okay, so our 33rd term is negative 77. Didn't it make sense? Right, because here our common difference is minus 3, so we're subtracting 3 each time. Right, so again, our terms will be getting smaller. Alright, so now to find the sum of the 33 terms, first 33 terms, we're going to take the number of terms, which is 33. We're going to multiply that by the first term plus the last term in our sequence divided by 2. So the sum of the first 33 terms of the sequence is negative 957. Okay. All right. One more example. Here again, we want to find the sum of the sequence terms up to the 29th term. So the first term is negative 19. Let's calculate the 29th term. It's 37. Alright, so now we want to find the sum of the first 29th term. Again, this is the formula for finding the sum of an arithmetic sequence. Right? So this is an arithmetic sequence using the formula for the first 29 terms. So again, it's 29 times first term plus the last term divided by 2. $261 is the sum. Okay. Alright, so again, the recap, to find the sum of an arithmetic sequence for a specified number of terms, for an arithmetic sequence with a specified number of terms, it's going to be S sub n. The sum is equal to the number of terms times first term plus the last term divided by 2. So that's your formula. Alright, you guys have a great day.